Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem PlayStation gift card to child account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a PlayStation gift card on a child account, first what you need to do is make sure the child is signed into the PlayStation network account. Child accounts must be a part of family group with the Auto Family Manager. So what you can do is just simply head over and open up the browser, then on the search bar type in PlayStation.com, then simply tap on the sign in button on the top right corner of your screen. Then once logged in, what you need to do is select PlayStation Store, then simply on PS5 scroll down to the sidebar and select redeem codes, or on PS4 scroll down to the left menu and select redeem codes. If you are using a browser, simply tap on the top right corner of your screen, which is your profile icon, and then you'll find an option that says redeem code. Simply tap on that. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is enter the code, simply sketch of the physical card or check the e-gift card for the 16-digit code, and once done, simply enter in the code carefully and then simply tap on continue or next. Then once that's done, the balance will be added to the child account wallet, and if the child account is restricted, an adult family manager may need to approve the transaction. Then once done, the child can now purchase games, in-game currency or subscriptions using the redeemed balance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.